Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is the cable. Plug it into your computer and have it on the side. And from there we can proceed to power off the device. So hold power key on the phone and select power off. And wait for it to shut off. Now, once the device is off, you want to hold volume up and volume down, both keys at the same time. And while holding volume up and down, plug it in. And you can see that it opens up this box right here. So warning, basically that we're about to enter download mode, and you have volume up to confirm and cancel for volume down. So of course we want to press volume up to continue, and we're now in the download mode. So from here we can start doing stuff using the computer, and the device is already in download mode, so it will be recognized. So that is how you would enter it. And let me unplug it so I can actually set it up straight. And if you want to leave this menu, you have a guide right here. So volume down and power key for more than 7 seconds to basically restart the phone. So once more, power key, volume down, more than 7 seconds. And it should shut off right about now. There we go. And it turns back on its own, so you just need to wait a little bit until it boots back up into the Android. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would enter and also exit the download mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.